Welcome to my fourth tutorial in this short series about teacher creativity. In this video, we will identify a few affordances that are relevant to how we can successfully apply creativity within the practice of teaching and learning. Now, as a reminder, we are exploring a sociocultural perspective of creativity, and affordances represent objects, tools, and various other things that we interact with inside our classroom. In my work, I experience the curriculum as one of the most influential items for teacher creativity. It often informs our goals, for some is considered rigid or scripted, and can hinder or support creativity depending on how we perceive it. Another important affordance or affordances is technology. Technology was such a significant item to the creativity that we saw during the pandemic. We think about how we use and perceive new and existing forms of technology, newly discovered functions, available or unavailable hardware and software, and overall support for technology use. Finally, the physical space contains other items other than technology to consider. Not only the furniture, but how we set up the space and the resources we create on our walls. As teachers, when we engage in the creative process, we nearly always identify affordances we can use when designing a solution to a problem. Perhaps one of the most notable affordances to consider at the time of this tutorial is the availability of generative AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E 2. How will we respond creatively to their existence in our classroom environment? Next up, teacher creativity.